Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. This is a gold brief. Uh, if you did not participate in the rally today, most likely you are a pro and you're not a gold bug. Uh, for gold, always uh, it correlates with bonds and the dollar. And this move does not correlate with anything at all. And the whole purpose is the war, the possible war. I don't believe in that. If gold keeps rallying, that means it's not the asset class that I should be trading. I will be doing something else. If it keeps rallying, this would be the last gold brief. If it goes back to the old correlation, I will keep posting or uploading these videos. Okay, so this is TLT in the weekly time frame. And in this thing, I'm showing how gold and TLT go hand in hand together. They rally together, they break out together, they break down together. Okay, let me try to get this thing here so you could read it right. And I do this bad boy and I save. Okay, so since 2015, you see if they clear some patterns, they move together. When they clear them, they break out, they break down together. So the TLT was forming a continuation triangle, even though maybe indecisive triangle, and it broke out into the upside. And at that time, it broke out with gold, and it was the start of the interest rate hiking cycle, and it formed this pennant formation, and it broke down together, and they were in consolidating form for sometimes from 20 late 2016 till June or May 2019, and they broke out together, and they consolidated here together, and they broke out together, they broke down together, and the TLT went into meltdown mode. And at that time, gold bottomed with TLT, and they broke out together. They had the beautiful March to June rally where gold went up so much. So was TLT. Yet they diverged a little bit, and we're hoping here when TLT break out, it will take gold out, but it broke down, and they diverged here. And I think they're gonna converge. I don't know where, but most likely to the downside. If gold diverges from TLT for a very long time, I'm no longer going to not only trading gold, not even analyzing gold. I will just give up. Okay, so historically they work together. Gold silver ratio too. You must have a breakout to have a rally. So now you have a breakout in gold, yet you have a negative divergence in gold silver ratio here. And you're supposed to go down in order to have a beautiful gold rally. So you going up. This is wrong. Okay, let's look at gold itself, the gold spot. So if you assume this is A and this is B, C exactly is the terminal move, which is 162 Fibonacci extension of A to B. Usually this is a terminal move. So stupid money bought and smart money sold. Okay, it's very simple. Another thing, you have a negative divergence in the daily. You have a high here and a high and a lower high. And also you have that in the weekly as well. And this thing worked 100% in the past. Usually when you never you have that, you pull back. If it doesn't pull back this time, I'm no longer gonna even look at gold. Not trade it, just look at it. Okay. Another thing, the price action is outside of the Bollinger Band directly, which means it could act as resistance. Usually, whenever you have this open mouth, you have to start with the pipe formation. When you have pipe formation, you have this amazing open mouth, and the um, the Bollinger Band does not act as resistance in many time. Okay, so there's no pipe formation prior to this breakout. You do boom, 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 and usually gold ends with amazing rally, and after those rallies you have an ugly, disgusting, scary meltdown, usually like you had here. You had a strong rally, then boom. And so many, this happens so many times in history. So conclusion for gold right here: negative divergence, price closed or settled outside of the Bollinger Band before going through pipe formation, which means resistance. In the past, in the weekly, whenever you have this type of negative divergence, 100%, you would have a pullback. Okay. So, what's going against gold today? Gold was positive and dollar was positive. My God, come on, positive. Come on, man. That's not the norm. TLT is almost in breakdown mode, yet gold is in breakout mode. I've never seen this in my life, ever. Be the first time. Okay, so it's not correlating with gold, with dollar. It's not correlating with bonds. What is it correlating with? It's the stupid money via speculators, just crazy, angry people that is buying. I don't know under what circumstances, but most likely not very intelligent investors or traders. And these people make money, but at the end of the day, they lose it later. Okay, so you could see here high, lower high, and this happened, and now we had high, lower high, and longer time. Please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember. And if gold keeps going up, this is gonna be my last gold brief. And do remember, this goes forever.